Most investors have exactly one source of income from their portfolio. They buy a stock and hope it goes up. That's it. That's the whole plan. And when the market drops like it just did, 750 points in one day, that one income stream disappears. Meanwhile, the wealthiest families in America, they don't have one income stream, they have 7, sometimes more. And here's the thing that'll really bake your noodle. Those income streams keep paying whether the market is up, down, or going sideways. I've spent over 4 decades building and refining these exact streams. And today, I'm going to walk you through all 7 of them so you can start building them yourself. Hi, I'm Mark Yegge's digital twin. I've been trading stocks and options for over 4 decades now, since I was a teenager. Today, I help people learn how to create income from the stock market, structure their assets, reduce taxes, and build solid income in retirement. Here's what I want to show you today: a complete system for building multiple income streams that don't depend on the market going in one direction. Whether the Dow is dropping 750 points like it did yesterday, or gold is sitting above $5,000 an ounce, your income keeps flowing. Let's set the stage because the timing of this video is perfect. The Fed just held rates at 350 to 375. The dot plot says maybe one cut this whole year. Chairman Powell said inflation isn't coming down as hoped. Producer prices came in at 0.7% month over month, more than double what the market expected. The Dow dropped 750 points in a single session. The S&P fell 1.3%. The Nasdaq dropped 1.4%. Meanwhile, gold is above $5,000 an ounce, and oil is running above $103 a barrel. This is exactly the kind of environment where having one income stream leaves you completely vulnerable. But having 7, that's how you sleep well at night. Here are the 7 income streams we're going to cover. Number 1, covered calls. Number 2, cash secured puts. 3, dividend growth stocks. 4, bond ladders. 5, REITs. 6, infrastructure and royalty plays. And 7, systematic rebalancing. Let's dig in. Covered calls are the backbone of everything I teach. Imagine you own a rental property. Every month, your tenant pays you rent. That rent comes in whether the property value goes up or down. A covered call works the same way. You own the stock, that's your property. You sell a call option against it, that's your tenant paying you rent. Every single week or month you collect that premium, it's real cash. Now here's where most people get it wrong. Most tutorials tell you to sell out of the money calls. The problem? If the stock drops, you've got no protection. The cash flow machine approach is different. We sell in the money calls. That gives us a built-in cushion and downside protection baked right in.
Let me give you a hypothetical example.
Say you buy 100 shares of QQQ at $485. You sell one in the money call at the 470 strike and collect $22 in premium. Your net cost basis is now $463. That's $22 of cushion, over 4% of protection. If QQQ stays above 470, you keep your premium and do it again. But here's the part nobody else teaches: the adjustments. The real skill is knowing what to do when the market moves against you. Scenario 1, the stock rallies hard. You roll up and out. You capture more upside while keeping the income flowing. Scenario 2, the stock stays flat. Beautiful. You collect your premium, the option expires worthless, and you sell another one. Scenario 3, the stock drops. In the cash flow machine system, you've already got that ITM cushion working for you. You roll down or add a put spread. I've been doing this for over 40 years. The adjustments are the secret sauce that turns this into a reliable income machine. Look at MSTR, MicroStrategy. It's volatile, no question, but volatility is the covered call seller's best friend. Higher volatility means fatter premiums. You're getting paid for the risk others fear. Stream number 2, cash secured puts. You get paid while you wait for a stock you want to own to drop to your price. Either the stock stays up and you keep the free cash, or it drops and you buy it at a discount. Either way, you win. It's an elegant strategy. Stream number 3, dividend growth stocks. I'm talking about companies that have increased their dividend every single year for decades. Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola. They've raised dividends through recessions, crises, and pandemics. Nothing stopped them. Over 20 or 30 years, that compounding effect is absolutely massive. These payments show up whether the stock price went up or down. Stream number 4 is bond ladders. With rates at 350 to 375, you can lock in 4% or more with zero credit risk. As each bond matures, you reinvest. This is your safety net. It's the money that lets you sleep at night while the other streams do the heavy lifting. Stream number 5 is REITs. I love real estate, but I don't love being a landlord. REITs give you the income without the water heater phone calls at 2 a.m. Realty income is paid monthly for over 50 years. You're getting essential infrastructure exposure and income without ever dealing with a tenant. Stream number 6 is the toll booth strategy. You don't care where the cars are going or what the economy is doing, they pay the toll either way. Enbridge moves 25% of North America's crude. Royal Gold collects a percentage of every ounce mined. These are cash flow machines. Stream number 7, systematic rebalancing. When stocks rally and you're overweight, you trim them. You literally sell high and redistribute to buy low. A disciplined rebalancing approach can add up to 1.5% per year. Over 30 years, that's hundreds of thousands of dollars in free money. When you stack all 7 of these income streams together, you've built redundancy into your wealth. No single stream needs to carry the load. If the market drops, bonds and ITM calls protect you. If it rallies, you participate. If it goes sideways, your premiums and dividends keep flowing. That's power. We're hosting our Strategy Room event in Scottsdale, Arizona, April 17th through 19th. It's 3 days of hands-on training to build your plan. Spots are limited because we keep the room small. Check out cashflowmachine.io/events for all the details. In a bear market, your bond ladder and ITM covered calls provide stability. In a bull market, your stocks appreciate. But look at the sideways market. This is the most common condition. Stocks are flat, but your premiums, dividends, and rebalancing are still capturing gains. It's designed to profit from every condition. Let me save you from mistakes. Don't chase yield, stick with quality. Don't just sell out of the money calls and pray. And think about taxes. Here's your roadmap. Get your brokerage account. Build your safety net with bonds first. Then add dividend stocks. They start compounding immediately. Learn covered calls on just one position, one stock, one call. Master the adjustments before you scale to all 7 streams, one layer at a time. Micron just reported a massive earnings beat. Revenue came in at $23.9 billion, and their AI memory products are completely sold out. You could own Micron for growth, sell calls for income, or sell puts to get in. It's the perfect example of stacking streams for high conviction. Recap: 7 streams: calls, puts, dividends, bonds, REITs, infrastructure, and rebalancing. Stack them together for a portfolio that works in any market. I've put together a free mini course called the 4-Step Cash Flow Blueprint. It walks you through picking stocks and managing adjustments. Head to cashflowmachine.net. No fluff, just the blueprint. If you got value, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I publish new strategies every single week. Build wealth, protect wealth, transfer wealth. I'm Mark Yegge, the Wealth Architect. I'll see you in the next one.